Now, let us look another apps or another features that we can show in the drawing. Okay, so for example, here we are going to look into this part. Okay, so for example, here I'm going to show the front, top, and also the side view together with the um, isometric. No, I'm going to show another view other than isometric. Okay, so but these four view, actually we can put it together in this what we call in this paper. Okay, so let's see the front view, um, side view, and top view first. Okay, so then if you just drag here, you will be able to put the side view. Okay, so you don't have to click on the drawing actually. So once you drag your what we call um your mouse, you will be able to get the all of the view. Okay, so it's quite lagging for my we call my laptop. Okay, so this one you can place the isometric view. So if it is not what we call enough space for this one, you can change again the scale for the drawing. Okay, so this one I don't want to show the isometric view. I want to show you another view. Okay, so this one we create this one first. Another view that I want to show to you is auxiliary view. Okay, so auxiliary view is when you want to view the things in the actual view for the slanted area like this one. Okay, so because for this one we are not able to see the dimension for the part over here, right, in the top part here. So we can click on auxiliary view. Okay, and then you can select the area, the slanted area that we want to show the auxiliary view. Okay, so like this one. So maybe the picture is too big. Okay, so if let's say you see scale, custom scale, let's see 1:1. Okay, so this one because we already placed for the other one. Okay, so you can use this another scale. Okay, so 1:1. So it will become smaller lah because previously it is 2:1, right? Okay, so for this one it is 1:1, so it's become smaller. So if let's say you want everything to be standardized into one scale, so you have to plan your drawing from the start. Okay, so for this one I just want to show you. So this is going to be the actual um, what we call the actual view for this area. If we look our eyes is on this what we call in this angle. Okay, so what are the other things that we can do in this drawing? Okay, right now I want to create the new file. Okay, for the drawing. Okay, using the same file here. Here, I want to reduce the scale to 1:1 again so that I can show you a better view for the drawing. Okay, so for this one, um, I want to show the front view first. Okay. So I have this front view. I can create another view, what we call as section view. Okay, so this section view, if let's say in here I've already create the hole over here using the hole wizard. Okay, so and then there is also a circle in between here that showing the hole in the center. Okay, so I want to show you the example of if let's say we want to draw here section that cutting through the center of this uh, circle. Okay, so if we drag it over here or drag it over here to show the section view. Okay, sectional view is we cut through the center of that circle. Okay, so to show the actual view of the hole that we already created. Okay, so this is the shape of the hole, and this is how it will look like. So the part with the hole with the line over here, the hatching line over here is showing it is the solid part. Okay, so the one without this the solid part, which is the hole, okay, will not be hatched like this. Okay, so this is how the section view is shown. Okay, so let's see another example. Let's say I cut through the center here. Okay, uh so okay, and then I brought it over here to show the difference. Okay, so you will see this is the hole in here. Okay, so this is the part over here, and this one will be non-hatch because it is not cut over here, right? Okay, so when it's projected over here, it will become like this. So the hatch one is the one, the area is that being cut. Okay, so this is the solid part. Okay, so you'll see this will be the um, sectional view. Apart from the auxiliary view and section view, there are other things also that you can use in this drawing. You can perform the remove section where you can select certain area and then it will show the that particular sectional view for that area. You can put also detail view. So, for example, there's some complicated part in the drawing. So you want to show that particular details of that drawing. Okay, so you can select, for example, like the example showing in the picture here. Okay, so you can circle that particular area and then it will be enlarged to show the view in detail. You have relative view, standard tree view if you don't want to place all of the view, the front view, top view, and also side view one by one. So you can just select standard view and then it will appear for all three. Okay, so broken out section. So for example, you want to just cut on certain area and then to show that only particular area sectional view, so you can just select and that area and then you just drag and you will get the broken out section. Break view is if you are having a drawing which are very long and then you don't but there is no changes of particularly the dimension of that part. Okay, so the cross sectional is not different. Okay, so you can show the drawing in break lines. Okay, and then crop view, you can also do alternate positional view and many more. Okay, so these are all the things that you can do in drawing. Now let us look what are the other things that we can do. Okay, for example, we can add annotation into this drawing. Okay, so this one I just placed the front view over here. So if you go to the annotation tab, you will be able to add the dimensions. For example, like this one, just click and then drag Okay, you'll be able to see the dimension over here. This one you will not be able to change the value because it is depend on what we call your drawing in parts. Okay, so you can just place what we call the dimension over this part only. Okay, so you will see this one is the diameter, the height, and also over here. Okay, so now let us see what are the other things under the annotation. Okay, so you can see here you can add notes, you can put a pattern. If let's say you have the linear notes, okay, so if you have multiple notes that you want to put, okay, so you can use this one. You can put circular, you can put in linear, and then balloons we already see. And then we have surface finish. For example, if let's say uh, the what we call, we have the surface roughness of that area, so you specifically want to mention it in your drawing, so you can put it in here. If let's say the part need to be joined using the welding process, so you can put it in, indicate it in the drawing. If it is a hole, there are some specification of the hole, you can put the specification of the hole. And then you can put the geometric tolerance over here, datum features, datum target, and many more. Okay, so even for center marks also, for this one, it is already placed the center marks for the hole. Okay, so if it is not indicated in the drawing, you want to indicate it in the drawing, you can select on this center mark and then click on the hole or the circle that you want to place the center mark, and then the center mark will appear automatically. Okay, so the same also for the center line. So for example, you have the side view over here. Okay, let's see. Let's try again on the model view for this one. So let's see. We want to place the side view. Okay. So I forgot also to mention previously, for the display style, you can change it into, okay, for this one, it is not showing the hidden lines. The hidden line is removed. So if let's say you want to show the hidden line, so you can uh, click on this one, and then this one is for the wireframe one. Okay, so meaning that it is not showing in hidden. Even the hidden line will be shown in visible line. Okay, and then you can also show the shaded with edges. For example, I'll show you the isometric one. Okay, so this one I want to change to maybe 1 to 1 or 2 to 1. 2 to 1 also should be no problem because eh, so it will become like this. Okay, so maybe no. We can select this one to show the isometric. Okay, so let's say the isometric, I want it to be over here. So maybe a little bit too much. So maybe over here. Scale, maybe it's too big. Create it 1 to 1. Okay. So it will show like this. Okay. So you can change it. You can control what are the view that you want to show. Okay.